Welcome to Decoding Project Wins, a concise walkthrough of patterns that drive successful projects. In this presentation, we'll analyze strategic insights, performance metrics, and practical frameworks drawn from high-profile cases, connecting evidence-based lessons to real-world execution. Over the next slides, I'll guide you through recurring drivers, case studies, and a transferable toolkit so you can apply these ideas to your own projects. Across multiple case studies, we repeatedly see 5 core drivers: phased execution to reduce risk, microservices architectures for modularity, real-time data integration for rapid decisions, disciplined agile governance to sustain pace, and proactive stakeholder engagement to secure alignment. The slide emphasizes scalable patterns rather than one-off heroics, and invites us to frame these elements as a foundation for later deep dives and operational replication. Let's look at Netflix's migration to AWS as an example of escaping outages through phased transition and cloud-native re-architecture. The visual shows controlled waves moving workloads into microservices on the cloud, combined with automation and DevOps provisioning. The result was resilient global scale, faster feature rollout, and reduced downtime, demonstrating how incremental migration plus cloud design yields both reliability and agility. Spotify's framework highlights autonomy and velocity through empowered squads, CI, CD pipelines, and disciplined agile ceremonies. Small, cross-functional teams make decentralized decisions, while continuous integration and automated testing accelerate time to market. Regular planning, stand-ups and retrospectives, close feedback loops, enabling relentless innovation without sacrificing quality. A model that balances speed with governance and sustained product excellence. YouTube's architectural evolution shows the shift from a tightly coupled monolith to modular microservices and CDN optimization, followed by automated deployment and global load balancing. That transition enabled the platform to scale for billions of video hours and handle explosive traffic surges. The key lesson is modular architecture plus global delivery systems equals the elasticity required for exponential growth and dependable performance. The Delhi Metro case illustrates how disciplined project management and public-private partnerships enable complex urban mobility delivery with strict milestone governance, phased implementation, and real-time safety monitoring. The multi-phase rollout achieved on-time, on-budget completion. The outcome decongested traffic and established a replicable benchmark for urban transport projects, showing how governance and phased execution translate into tangible social benefits. Building the world's tallest tower required multicultural team orchestration, advanced wind resistance engineering, and just-in-time material flow. Coordinating diverse nationalities and unified communication protocols created a harmonized workforce, while wind tunnel studies and damping systems ensured structural integrity. Precise logistics and sequential deliveries kept construction pace efficient, combining talent, science, and optimized logistics to enable record-breaking construction. Crossrail demonstrates the power of integrated digital frameworks for complex underground builds. Facing regulatory constraints beneath a historic city, the project used 3D BIM, centralized dashboards, and unified contractor data to create a digital twin and live governance layer. That real-time integration delivered transparency and precision, giving stakeholders a single source of truth for visualization, clash detection, and decision support throughout construction. Apollo Hospital's telehealth rollout shows how integrated digital platforms expand rural access without brick-and-mortar expansion. By combining EMRs, scheduling apps, and satellite bandwidth with scalable cloud infrastructure and targeted physician training, the project reduced patient travel time and broadened care access. This approach offers a proven model for delivering healthcare at scale through technology and people-centric adoption. Accelerating global vaccine delivery, compressed timelines by running parallel R&D tracks, deploying ultra-cold chain logistics, and aligning regulators across countries. The diagram highlights discovery, at-risk manufacturing, specialized containers with real-time monitoring, and rolling reviews or emergency authorizations. The key takeaway is that concurrent work streams, pre-negotiated approvals, and temperature-controlled distribution networks enabled rapid scaling from months to millions of doses while protecting efficacy. The transferable toolkit consolidates actionable patterns you can graft onto any portfolio. Adopt phased releases to deliver incrementally, invest in digital twins for proactive decision-making, secure early stakeholder buy-in, embed agile governance for continuous improvement, and automate quality checks to maintain consistency. These elements combine into a flexible framework for excellence that supports predictable scaling and repeatable project wins across industries. Piloting success is about selecting one demonstrated tactic, piloting it in an upcoming initiative, and using rapid feedback to learn and adapt. Start small with a pilot, gather data, identify quick wins, and iterate through continuous small experiments. Over time, these iterative cycles compound into sustained, exponential value, turning tactical experiments into broader project success through disciplined learning and scaling.